Hi, hello. On a request from a friend, I am here to help show how to make toggles, especially the head pat toggle. First things first, we want to go to Twitch. We want to go to your Twitch homepage, or more so your creator dashboard. By doing that, we need to go to Viewer Rewards, go to Power-Ups and Channel Points, Manage Power-Ups and Channel Points. Then scroll down and make sure you have created a headpat redeem. The reward name, description, cost, and as well as the redemption cooldown of how many times you would like it to be redeemed for and how long a viewer has to wait before redeeming it again. Once you have set that up, make sure you hit save. Once you do so, you can go back into VTube Studio, where I am right now. So first things you would want to do is open your menu and go to Settings. And scroll all the way down. And you will see Twitch Settings. Make sure you have your own account connected and your login active. Be sure to understand your own connection will be valid for 55 days, and you will have to reconnect it after 55 days have passed. Go to Items and find the head pat. Make sure that your head pat is layered wherever you would like, preferably one layer above. And you can have pin item to 2D model turned on. And you could go ahead and put it on your head, double click to pin it, and now the head pat should be on your head. In order to turn the head pat into a toggle, you will be going to item scenes for hotkeys, and you would create new item scene. And you hit select. Your item scene, the items within the scene that you want will be right here. Go ahead and put a name for your item scene. And then once you're done, you would hit save. Since I have headpat already, I will just go back to settings and going back to the toggle. If you don't have a page like this, you go ahead and make one. Go all the way down to the plus sign. It's at the bottom of the page. You would click the plus sign, and you would name this head pat. In my case, this is a test. Hotkey action. You would go through all the way down to toggle item scene and select that. In item scene, you would go to head pats. For me, I have it as Ari pats. You would select that. After that, you will record it. Press whatever buttons on your keyboard you would want to be if you want to manually do it. You can also do a gesture, which if you have compatibility for reading your hand gestures. For the toggles, in this case, for Twitch redeems, you would go up here to the little Twitch icon, and you would turn on activate triggers and set up your point redeems. You can have it trigger it if somebody gives you a sub, a follow. Twitch redeem trigger would be right here, and then you go ahead and select which Twitch redeem it would be. And then after that, you will have your very first toggle. I hope that helped you in understanding how to put together toggles, and I thank you all for watching and listening. If you want any more tools and tips for VTube Studio, just let me know in the comments, and I'll be sure to make another tutorial. Happy VTubing!